Ganda! Ang galing naman ng team!
Valentine's.
Ay, dito ka pa. Our King and Queen, Cabulaqueño, 2026. New day, new bag. So today is our first day of our Valentine's special. Wow! Ganda! Ang galing naman ng team. Ganda ng design. Grabe, ang ganda ng banner ha. High quality. Ang ganda. Parang sarap ma-in love. And then, meron kaming photo booth dito. So, ang goal namin every month, magkakaroon kami ng mga mini event dito sa showroom. So, ito yung first event. So, we are celebrating the Valentine's Day for a 3-day event. Today is Feb 13. And we have snacks pala. Ayan. Tapos ito, pinsan ko. By the way, outfit check. Pulang-pula tayo for today. Outfit care of Shein. Tapos
Valentine's.
ay, dito ka pa. Nauna ka?
Oo, nauna ako.
Thanks. Hello, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
Maru.
Marugo.
And then I'm here in behalf of Club Bulaqueño.
By the way, ma'am, I like your bag. Naubos yung mini Kelly namin. Pero ang problem yun, wala nagpapakonsign na ng mini Kelly.
Kasi ang hirap na.
Ang hirap. Ito, ma'am, ano nga po yung Club Bulaqueño?
So Club Bulaqueño is a 36-year-old non-profit organization and we are committed Bulacan State University students and we give them financial assistance.
Wow, member din si Regine Velasquez.
Yan. Kuha ng anak ng Bulacan Award din natin sila and some Cari Santiago, yan. For last year. In this November, meron din tayong ball.
Nakita ko nga to eh. Meron kayong event sa
Yes.
Common Friends.
Yes.
And then kaya pala you look familiar, ma'am. Ikaw ba yung president dito, ma'am?
Yes.
Tsaka parang public personality ka.
Ay,
Parang fashion gano'n.
Second to Miss JN. So we're inviting you to be part of Club Bulaqueño and hopefully this November, we will see you also doing the ramp and to be member for a cause.
Paano yun, ma'am? Hindi ako taga Bulacan.
It's okay because we love everyone.
Hindi siya
then,
exclusive for
hindi na siya.
Bulaqueño.
Oh, yes. We can call you adopted.
Adopted
daughter.
Bulaqueña.
Yes.
This year.
This
Makikita ko na yung
November.
face ko dito.
Yes. And also siya. King and Queen.
So, hindi lang siya for queens, hindi lang siya for women.
Yes, yes.
Pangarap ko maging king, di ba? Ma'am, kahit hindi mo pa ako ini-invite, it's a yes.
Yes, na. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much and nice meeting you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Looking forward to see you, our King and Queen, Club Bulaqueño 2026. Eh, nagbe-ready na siya.
Ayun na, nakalagay. Punta na tayo Bulacan mamaya, babe. So, meron tayong setup dito, table setup, tabletop. Ayan, and we are also serving snack and champagne. So, plan namin to have a mini event every month. Oh, babe, anong gift mo sa akin? Valentine's?
Ha? Wala eh. Pagmamahal.
Ala. Ay, ang ganda ni ma'am.
Wala.
Pretty. Ma'am, outfit check muna. Para tayo fairy. Twinning kami, twinning.
Tungkol saan naman kaya ang awiting para sa'yo? Hindi biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. 10 manaking diksyonaryo kung ang tugma'y di wasto. Basta't isiping di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Pag single kayo, dito kayo pumunta.